Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're feeling stuck financially or just want to take control of your money, this video is for you. Today we're diving into Sepstam, the 30-day money challenge, a step-by-step plan to reset your finances and build powerful money habits fast. No fluff, no fancy spreadsheets, just real actions that will leave you in a better place financially in just 1 month. Let's get into it. Week 1, awareness and clarity. Day 1, track every dollar. Start by writing down every single thing you spend today. It doesn't matter if it's $2 on coffee or $200 on groceries, track it. You can use a notebook, app, or spreadsheet. Awareness is the first step to control. Day 2, review last month's expenses. Look through your bank statements or transaction history. Where is your money actually going? Highlight things you can cut or reduce. Subscriptions, eating out, impulse buys. Day 3, set a 30-day budget. Now that you know your spending habits, set a realistic budget for this month. Focus on needs versus wants, and challenge yourself to spend less than you earn. Day 4, find one expense to eliminate. Pick one thing to cut. Maybe cancel a subscription, make coffee at home, or bring lunch instead of buying it. Small wins build momentum. Day 5, set a savings goal. Decide how much you want to save by the end of these 30 days. $50, $100, more. Write it down and keep it visible. Day 6, create a no-spend list. Write down items or categories you won't spend money on for the next 30 days. Be honest with yourself. What usually tempts you? Day 7, reflect and reset. Take a few minutes today to reflect. How did it feel to get this clarity? What surprised you? Journal your thoughts. You're building self-awareness. Week 2, save and build momentum. Day 8, open a dedicated savings account. If you don't already have one, open a separate savings account. This is where your challenge savings will go. Keep it out of sight, out of mind. Day 9, try a no-spend day. Today, spend nothing. Use what you have, eat at home, and get creative. It's a powerful exercise in control. Day 10, sell one thing you don't use. Look around. Old electronics, clothes, furniture. Sell one item on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or wherever. Add the profit to your savings. Day 11, meal plan for the week. Plan your meals and groceries to avoid waste and random takeout spending. Sticking to a plan equals major savings. Day 12, use a cashback app. Download a cashback app like Rakuten or Ibotta. If you must spend, at least earn some money back. Day 13, unsubscribe from temptations. Go through your inbox and unsubscribe from marketing emails. Less temptation equals fewer impulse buys. Day 14, DIY something you'd normally pay for. Can you fix something, cook instead of ordering, or do your own nails? Choose one thing today to DIY and save. Week 3, earn and grow. Day 15, brainstorm side hustles. Make a list of ways you could earn extra money. Think freelancing, tutoring, pet sitting, selling crafts, whatever fits your skills and schedule. Day 16, apply for one gig or side hustle. Take action. Apply to one freelance job, post on social media, or offer your service locally. Just get started. Day 17, reinvest found money. Whether it's cashback, tips, or that item you sold earlier, transfer it directly to your savings account. Don't touch it. Day 18, learn one financial skill. Watch a video or read a blog about saving, budgeting, or investing. Education is part of the challenge too. Day 19, cut one more expense. Find another small thing you can pause or cancel. The goal isn't to deprive yourself, it's to prioritize. Day 20, celebrate a win. Take a moment to celebrate what you've accomplished so far. Whether it's $10 saved or breaking a spending habit, it matters. Day 21, revisit your budget. Adjust your budget based on what you've learned. Maybe you overestimated your grocery budget or forgot to include gas. Tweak and improve. Week 4, lock in the habits. Day 22, plan for future bills. List upcoming expenses, birthdays, holidays, annual subscriptions. Planning ahead means no surprises. Day 23. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer, even $5 a week, to your savings account. Automation builds consistency. Day 24. Try a digital detox day. Take a break from online shopping, social media, and screens. You'll be amazed how it reduces spending urges. Day 25. Talk money with a friend. Discuss your progress with a friend or family member. Accountability makes a big difference. Day 26. Review your financial goals. Pull out that savings goal from day 5. Are you on track? Can you add more? Day 27. Pick one long-term habit to keep. Maybe it's tracking your spending, using cash envelopes, or doing weekly check-ins. Choose one habit to stick with after the challenge ends. Day 28. Review your progress. Look at how much you've saved, what you've learned, and how you feel. You're not the same person you were on day 1. Day 29, make a 3-month plan. Now that you've built momentum, outline a plan for the next 90 days. Set savings goals, income goals, and any habits you want to keep. Day 30, celebrate and reflect. You did it. Whether you saved $50 or $500, broke a bad habit, or just finally feel in control, you've transformed your finances in 30 days. There you have it, the 30-day money challenge. Simple steps, big impact. If you stick with it, you'll not only change your bank account, but your mindset around money. Which day or challenge are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear how you're taking charge of your finances. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready for a money glow up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.